Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. Today we will be talking about something exciting and that is GoogleBard, a new AI language model that's changing the way we interact with information. GoogleBard is like a super-powered search engine that understands complex questions and requests. It uses its knowledge of the world to generate creative text formats and answer your questions in an informative way. Think of it as a mix of writer, a researcher, and a language translator, all rolled into one. GoogleBard is not something new. The reason I'm creating a video about Google Bard today because Google has rolled out image generation capabilities for its chatbot. The release was scheduled for February 1st, 2024, and users are encouraged to check their inboxes for the update. Users can now create unique images by entering few words to spark the AI's imagination. The process involves providing input to generate various options and user can download their preferred images. So let's open up Google Chrome and search for Bard and just press enter and click on the first link that says Google AI Bard. So like ChatGPT, it has, almost every feature of ChatGPT, but now there's something new that you can even create images using Google Bard. So what you need to do, just give it a prompt and it will create an image for you. So if I write, and so I have written, so I want Bard to create an image of parrot watching news on TV. Let's see what we get. That was close. So we'll try another prompt. Let's see if it creates an image of a parrot who is reading newspaper. And that is amazing. So now you can think of anything and Google Bard will convert that into an image. So there are two choices. You can download uh, either both of them or the one that is close to your imagination. Just simply click that down arrow button and the image, a full size image will be downloaded into your computer. So if we check the property of that image, it is not very big in size. So it is 1536 by 1536 and the image size is not that big. It is only 344 KB. And Google Bard supports multiple languages. Like if I just click on New Chat, you can check there are multiple languages you can use uh, to write your prompt and you will get the answer. Or if you want an image to be created, there will be an image created for you. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. You have a great day. Bye bye.